Hi, my name is Trenton Valenzuela, and it is currently 8:02 a.m. on August 20th, 1961. And as we speak, East German soldiers are sealing off the border dividing the eastern section of the Berlin from the American, French, and British zones in the west. It happened overnight. East Germany soldiers sealed off the border between the two halves of the city. The Western powers have immediately expressed outrage at his quick and harsh action. Our Secretary of State, Dean Rusk, described this wall as an outrageous violation of the right of the free. It is becoming extremely obvious that there is nothing the people of Berlin can do. As family is being pulled apart, friend from friend, the Berlin Wall will surely become a symbol for all that is bad about the Cold War. Good night, America.
Hi, I'm Riley Romero. It is currently 7:02 p.m. and it is November 9th, 1989. And we have great news for you. The wall has been broken down. Crowds of East Germans are piling up and climbing onto the wall. As you can all see, if we go live, everyone is celebrating.
Some of this shit. You like to eat? America loves to eat. So why not open up somewhere America can sit down, enjoy a meal, and get their feet rubbed? We'll fry anything you want for $5.99. As long as it's friable or edible, we're gonna make it deliciousable. We will fry parts of the chicken you didn't even know was friable. The beak, the feathers, we'll fry candy bars. All that European stuff that you don't really normally eat, we'll bring it down here and fry it for you. Ask McDonald's to fry something other than what they normally fry. Guess what you're gonna get? Nothing. If it fit through the dough, I'll put it in the fryer. Hell, this is a dinosaur. All our meats are gently tenderized to their optimum deliciousness. We got fine dinosaur meat. Took my money, made me pay child support. Come on down here and get you a slice. Once they get your social security number, it's over. Motivated, 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 motivated. So friends, let's just decide you don't want no barbecue. Well, that's fine too. Why not let one of my foot specialists or myself perform our magic? Look at that, don't they look wonderful? If you really pay me enough, we'll massage your feet in any of these sauces also. Success is the rule down here at Jones. Good ass barbecue and foot massage. So go ahead and give me a call or find us on the worldwide internets at the new website. That's JONES, big ass truck rental and storage.com/Jones. Good ass barbecue and foot massage.html.
Excuse me, did you call number 52?
Did you hear me call number 52?
The whole reason the Berlin Wall was built was because thousands of East Germans fled to the democratic West. The communist East Germans didn't approve and built a wall. It was thrown up overnight on August 13th, 1961. The wall stood for 37 years as a symbol of the Cold War. In those years, 5,000 people made the escape from East Germany to the West successfully. The Berlin Wall was a tangible symbol of the suppression of human rights by the Eastern Bloc during the Cold War. Amen. Bro, are we done with the...
Damn! Oh, God.
Do I say good evening or hi?
Good evening.
She already started.
Good evening. I'm Really Romero. It is currently 7:02 p.m. Fuck. In those years, 5,000 fuck was a tangible symbol of the Supret fuck by the Eastern Bloc during the Cold War. That says by the.
In a country?
Yeah, what's wrong?
Get him out of here.
The wall stood for 37 years as a symbol of the golden. In those years, 5,000 people made. You're covering the words. I'm sorry.
Ready, so.
Alright. The wall. You ready?
Yeah, talk slower.
The wall stood for 37 years as.
One song that I when you start, bro. Can I say just a word from my sponsors?
When do I start?
Right now.
Oh, alright then. Hey, do I look stupid like this?
But stand right there.
Just a little bit. Your hands are like kind of like freaking me out because they're like this.
They're
and it
like,
should be like this.
they're like this, bro.
You look like you're trying to make a tent or something.
Alright, when do I start?
I'm gonna do that.
I've been recording for like the past 5 minutes.
Oh, it's Marilio. It's my friend told me.
Say it and now.
What is
and now
the
a word
water?
from our sponsors.
Oh, yeah. When do I start?
Right now.
Right now, like I've been
And
recording.
now a word from our sponsors.
You forgot like the little finger.
Do that.
That's
do
why.
that.
That's why. Nah.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, I don't think this is gonna.
Molly, practice it.
Like Brendan's all happy because he's ripped now.
It's like the more you know.
He's like, the more you know. Mr. Flower.
Imagine.
Alright, can you just stop Trending?
I can't. I was the one that's making Marilio laugh the whole time.
I'm ready whenever. Like I've been ready for like
I gotta go
25 seconds,
home,
26
so-
seconds,
Okay.
27 seconds, 28
Oh, you're
seconds,
actually going. I was waiting for the
29
little.
seconds, 30 seconds, 31
Yeah, stop
seconds,
counting you. Yeah.
35 seconds.
You got this, homie. You got this.
Alright.
You can't be counting it on me.
Alright, ready?
Dean Russ, describe this wall. Oh, right. I keep saying well. Our Secretary of State, Dean
16
Russ,
seconds.
described this wall as
Wait, can you
an
start over again? 'Cause I was
outrageous
counting when you were
violation
talking.
of the right of the race.
Start over.
Why?
I started counting when you were talking.
I said it right, though.
The
Our
table's a
Secretary.
little bit too this way. No, like in the way somewhere.
Right there, right there, right
Right there.
Alright. Our Secretary of State, Dean Russ, described this wall as an outrageous.
Here's 5,000 people made this statement.